Alright everyone, so this might be the best budget phone of 2019. This is pretty insane stuff. You guys don't want to miss this. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, so I'm sure this is not a mystery to anybody if you guys do read articles about, budget phones and stuff, or phones in general. You guys may have heard of the Bold N1. Now, I just purchased this device and I should be receiving it on Wednesday. I'm going to do my unboxing and everything on this. But this looks like it's going to be the cell phone to get. Now, before I talk about this phone, if you guys do want to go ahead and purchase it, I will put an Amazon link in my description. But right now, Bold is having a special where they give you a $50 rebate, so the phone's only $199. I'll put that in the description and in the top comments as well, just so you guys can go ahead and get a chance to buy one of these devices for $200. If that link is not $200 anymore, you can go to the Amazon link, and that's $249. Now, this video is not sponsored. I am just very, very impressed with Bold. They actually didn't end up sending me a phone out. I actually had to purchase one, but I'm waiting on an email from right now just to see if I can get a Bold N1 to give away to you guys. Now, if that email confirmation goes through, I'm hoping to give one of these Bold N1s away on my channel to one of you viewers. So definitely subscribe if you guys want a chance at that. If they don't end up sending me one, I'll probably just buy one and give it away. But let's go ahead and talk about this. So it starts off talking about the premium design. It says the Bold N1's premium design is sophistication and glamour in one, offering sandblasted metal with a curved glass design for the utmost quality and luxury. So it looks like it's available in Raven Black. I'm not sure if it's available in any other colors. When I checked out, I believe there was only one color. I'm not sure if I'm 100% right about that, but you guys can go ahead and correct me in the comments down below. But it looks like we get sandblasted metal with a curved glass design. So it looks like we're getting some really premium materials right here, and this is honestly super enticing. I can't wait till I get this phone. Definitely insane for $249. It also says see life without limits, see beyond with a 92% screen to body ratio and 8.6 slim bezel for an amazing view experience. So the bottom is going to have a little bit of a bezel, but the top, we're not even gonna have a notch on this device. But as you can see right here, it looks like we have an all screen display except for the small bezel at the bottom of the phone. I'm super excited about this display though. Now, there's even crazier stuff that's going to be happening with this. We have a 6.4 inch full HD display. Now, the aspect ratio is going to be 19.5 by 9. Now, with this display, we are going to have a 23 by 1080p resolution, and this is going to be a full HD AMOLED display. So we're getting an AMOLED display on this phone for $200. I paid $199 for this on Bold's website. This is insane. 92% screen to body ratio. We'll also get Corning Gorilla Glass 5 on this, so that's pretty amazing to see on a budget phone. Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Now, as for the performance, this is powered by a MediaTek Helio P70. So this is a decent processor, especially for a $200 phone. 2.0 GHz octa-core processor. We're going to also have 4 GB of RAM in this device and 128 GB of internal storage. We can also expand our device up to 128 GB via micro SD card, but it's pretty amazing how we get 128 GB of internal storage on this device, seeing that most budget phones don't even get you 64, so we're pretty much doubling that. Next thing we have here, and this is insane, especially for $200, an in-display fingerprint sensor. Now, the reason why I'm so impressed by this is it says it unlocks it in under 0.4 seconds. Now, I saw this on Bold's channel or Blue's channel. This is basically Blue's side company. I'm not 100% sure what this company is, but I know it's associated with Blue. But I actually saw this. It looks fairly quick and optimized, and I'm super excited about it. But we have an in-display fingerprint sensor on this device. Now, talking about the camera, and this is where it kind of gets crazy. Our selfie camera is going to be a 13 megapixel pop-up camera. Now, we are going to have a Samsung SK4HZ sensor inside of this. Now, this is going to be a 1/4 sensor size and also an f2.0 aperture. But it's pretty insane that we have a pop-up camera. Now, this looks pretty similar to the OnePlus 7 Pro. Obviously, we have a ton of stuff coming from China with these pop-up cameras. But this looks really good. We have a wide angle camera on this as well, so if you guys want to use wide angle mode, we have that on here. And taking a look at the rear facing cameras, we have a dual rear facing camera, 16 megapixels AI camera, and the sensor is a Sony IMX499. now 1:2.8 sensor size, and also we have an f1.8 aperture on the rear facing camera as well. We also get 30 times super zoom. We get a feature called Seize the Night. So it says by combining 3 images into one, the Bold N1 produces neat images for you to seize the stunning night. So this looks pretty promising so far. We also have capture every moment with AI, so we have AI inside of the camera as well, which is great to see. We have a long-lasting battery, which is actually 3,500 milliamps, super battery, and we also get fast charging with USB Type-C in this device as well. Now it gives us a little example right here. It says, what can 10 minutes quick charge provide you with? It says 25 hours standby, 3 hours of calling, and 1.5 hours of web browsing. So that's actually pretty impressive for a budget phone. 10 minutes of quick charging can provide you one of those 3, which is just amazing. Next thing, we have wireless charging. Why not on a $200 phone? That's pretty awesome. The next thing is we have Android 9.0 on this device. Now, the great thing about this device is we are offered 2 security patches as well as 1 software update. So this is going to be updated to Android 10. So I'm pretty hyped about that, honestly, just because Android 10 is looking decent so far. I do like the way this is looking so far. That is pretty much all of the information I have on this phone right now until I get it. But we do have bans for 4G LTE in the United States, obviously, because Bold and Blue are a United States company. I'm super excited about this. Definitely tell me what you guys think in the comments down below, but I am super hyped. Bought this for $199. I put it in the description down below if you guys want to go and buy it. Also, if you would like to support the channel, I'm wearing the Tech Gang merch. If you guys want to go and pick up one of these shirts, pretty cheap. Go ahead and check them out in the description down below. But yeah, tell me what you think. I'm pretty excited about it. I just hope that the optimization is really good on this device. If the optimization is good, it looks like everything else is going to be good as well. But I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, please leave a like down below as well as subscribing if you're not a part of the Tech Gang already. Also, hit the notification bell down below if you guys want to be notified every time I do upload a new video. This has been Safan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.